At Milby High School, students are diving into a variety of programs and career pathways that are preparing them for life after graduation, with many earning college credits, certifications, and real-world experience before they walk the stage. I sat down with a roundtable of students to hear firsthand about the programs they're part of and how those experiences are shaping their futures.
In the pharmacy program, we really dive deep into filling prescriptions, billing insurance, which I think is very interesting. It wasn't a career that I was interested in first, but I think after the 4 years and really building a community with people that I share the class with, it's really become an interest of mine, and I would like to become a pharmacist.
I also like that they give you the opportunity to graduate with a career. So me and Embryo, if we pass our certification test, we will be graduating as certified pharmacy technicians. So I think that's a really great opportunity. Fresh out of high school, you are already able to work in the actual workforce.
So another program that we have here is a medical billing encoder. For that program, we do translate whatever the doctor note writes. We have to change it into a different code so the insurance company can bill the patient. It is a new program that they just brought in this year, so it's really fun to see if I actually want to work with patients or work in the background of medical.
I'm in the CCMA program, which, as I said, is certified clinical medical assistant, and we just learn about vital signs and taking care of patients before the doctor actually gets to them. And I just want to learn more about patients and to be able to use my certification to get a summer job and see if I truly want to work with people, and just to get experience in the health field, since that's what I want to do in the future.
The engineering program starts you off with the basics freshman year, really just before throwing you into the deep end. And I would say it really helps build that foundation.
So you really get to see what you're doing and everything, and you get an idea of where you want to go into, either mechanical engineering or aerospace. Since we're both in aerospace engineering, we both have a lot to say that it's great, and you really see everything, it's so eye-opening.
Milby High School, where students aren't just planning for the future, they're building it today.